Hello friends, we have dismantled John Deere engine on the complaint of low oil pressure, and the turbo was in very bad condition. The play in the turbine shaft is unacceptable. We have to dismantle it to check it out what the problem is exactly. If the bush or bearing inside the turbo are damaged, we can replace the kit. But if the turbine shaft is damaged, we have to replace the complete cartridge of turbo. That is the part number of the cartridge. The exhaust side is usually running under high temperature and it's hard to open without a hammer. There you can see that is the complete cartridge. Now to access the shaft and the bearings, we have to open it. Its threads are left hand. There you can see that the shaft this is called the turbine shaft. It's badly damaged and the bush inside the cartridge are also damaged. The shaft is not repairable. Bush can be replaced. If bush are damaged, you can repair the turbo cartridge, but if this shaft is damaged from both bearing places or bush places, that is not repairable. Now we have to replace the complete cartridge, and we are assembling it back. That's the part number. Thanks for watching the video.